So, you want to learn bookkeeping. Chart of Accounts, by Dave Marshall. Chart of Accounts and accounting and bookkeeping software. Some of the current accounting software programs are even designed without using account numbers, numeric digits, at all, and use the account name to set up the chart of accounts and identify the accounts and further define the accounts by assigning additional identifiers. Additional identifiers might include 1. A division code, 2. A department code, 3. A type of account code, asset, liability, equity, revenue, expense, 4. An account group code, current asset, current liability, etc., and 5. A sequence code, order the account appears in financial reports, that is used to group and report on different segments or activities of the business and provide information for formatting reports. Others make it optional for using account numbers, numeric digits. Many still strictly adhere to a number grouping system using numeric digits. Some useful features provided with good accounting software includes 1. Sample charts of accounts for different types of businesses, retailer, wholesaler, manufacturer, or service type, and organizational types, sole proprietor, partnership, corporation, etc. 2. Flexible methods of structuring the hierarchy and assigning account numbers. 3. User-defined and user-controlled chart of accounts. 4. Allows unlimited number of user-defined accounts. 5. Flexibility to handle user-defined account number lengths. 6. Flexibility to create an organization's hierarchical structure to use for management reports. 7. Flexibility to define an unlimited number of summary reporting paths for report writing and inquiry purposes. 8. Support of control and subsidiary accounts. 9. Support of alphanumeric accounts. Where to find samples and additional guidance. 1. Many accounting and bookkeeping software programs have a number of canned charts of accounts for different types of businesses and industries that can be used as guides or samples when setting up your chart of accounts. 2. Many trade or industry associations provide recommended sample charts of accounts for their type of industry. 3. Accounting textbooks. 4. Your Friendly Accountant. 5. Internet searches. My searches didn't produce much. That's one of the reasons for this tutorial, but you might be luckier than me.